Hi, my name is Dolores Alvarez, and this is for my Psychology 1 class. I did operant conditioning as an experiment, and this is how it went. So in the video for operant conditioning, I did the experiment on my dog. I had her sit down and leave a treat on the floor, so every time she would do that, she would get a treat. And finally, I did it once without her receiving a treat, and she still did it anyways. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Go. Good girl. Sit. Leave it. Sit. No. No. Okay, go get it. Right there. Sit. No. Leave it. No. Good girl. Sit. Stay. Come here. Good girl.